Hello everyone, I am Angel, a BSc Forensic Science student and a volunteer of Shivi Forensics, and today we are going to discuss some MCQs related to the topic Forensic Anthropology. So let's begin. So here is our first question. Forensic Anthropology mainly deals with the study of option A, blood, option B, bones, option C, fingerprints, option D, hair. And for this question, the correct answer is option B, bones. Next, we have question number 2. The word anthropology is derived from which language? Option A, Latin, option B, French, option C, Greek, option D, Sanskrit. And for this question, the correct answer is option C, Greek. Now, question number 3. Which bone is most useful for determining sex in forensic anthropology? Option A, skull, option B, femur, option C, pelvis, option D, rib. And for this question, the correct answer is option C, pelvis. Up next, we have our question number 4. Forensic anthropology is mainly used in the cases of A, fresh dead bodies, option B, living persons, option C, decomposed or skeletal remains, option D, poisoning cases. And the correct answer is option C, decomposed or skeletal remains. Next, we have our question number 5. Which feature of skull helps in determining sex? Option A, shape of teeth, option B, size of nasal cavity, option C, brow ridges, option D, color of skull. And for this question, the correct answer is option C, brow ridges. Now for the question number 6, we have age estimation in children is mainly done by studying option A, skull sutures, option B, teeth eruption, option C, pelvis shape, option D, bone thickness. And for this question, the correct answer is option B, teeth eruption. Now we have our question number 7. Which long bone is commonly used to estimate height? Option A, ulna, option B, radius, option C, femur, option D, humerus. And the correct answer for this question is option C, femur. Up next, we have our question number 8. Cranial sutures are useful in estimating option A, sex, option B, height, option C, age, option D, race. And the correct answer for this question is option C, age. And for the question 9, which of the following is not a task of a forensic anthropologist? Option A, sex determination, option B, age estimation, option C, blood group analysis, option D, height estimation. And the correct answer is option C, blood group analysis. And next we have question number 10. Ancestry determination is based on differences in option A, hair color, option B, bone structure, option C, blood pressure, option D, skin diseases. And for this question, the correct answer is option B, bone structure. Up next, we have our question number 11. Which bone helps in determining whether the remains are human or animal? Option A, rib, option B, vertebra, option C, skull, option D, all of the above. And for this question, the correct answer is all of the above, option D. And last question, question number 12. Forensic anthropology is most helpful in option A, theft cases, option B, mass disasters, option C, cybercrime, option D, forgery cases. And for this question, the correct answer is option B, mass disasters. And that's it for the today's video. I hope it was useful. Comment your score out of 12 and like, share and subscribe the channel.